Hey everyone, Michael here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about e-commerce in 2020. Recently, I got a lot of emails asking me how things are going with e-commerce. Is it still strong? Should I get into dropshipping? Is it dead? I'm going to address all those questions in this video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because I'm going to record a lot more content for you this year. And also, if you want to see a specific content or training, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you're interested in so I can create those content for you to help your business. Now, I know I've been off in December just because I've been traveling and closing deals and also starting up new businesses and services, which I'll let you know more about real soon. But if you have not subscribed right now, go ahead and subscribe and we'll get started right now. Alright, so I just pulled out my whiteboard, so let's get to it. The first thing that I want to talk about is CBO. CBO is campaign budget optimization, and this is going to be the standard way for optimizing your campaigns. Facebook said everyone is going to be moved over to CBO in February. Most likely it's going to be rolled out in phases. However, some newer ad account may already have CBO as a default option. Now, if you've been following me, you know I have a video on CBO and what that is all about, but I'll record another update real soon to show you what I've been doing inside my business with CBO. There's actually a workaround if you are not ready for CBO just yet. However, don't be shocked if you see CBO as your default option for optimization in your Facebook ad account. So just real quick, for those of you who are newer to Facebook advertising, CBO just means the optimization happens on the campaign level. So your budget is actually set on the campaign level. Whereas ABO, ad set budget optimization, this is where your budget is set on the ad set level. There are many pros and cons for both, but I'll go in more detail in another video. All right. Now, the next question I want to address is dropshipping dead? Well, the short answer to that is no, dropshipping is not dead. However, the way you operate dropshipping needs to change in 2020. For example, you need to reduce your shipping time and product quality. Facebook is all about giving their users good customer experience. And if your customers are hiding your ad or giving you a bad feedback score for your business, then you'll have a lower relevant score. This will affect the cost of your advertising. And if you don't pay attention to this, and if your feedback score drops below 1, then you're at risk of getting your account shut down. So be extra cautious about this. Next is Chinese New Year. If you're dropshipping from China, then you know there will be a week or two of blackout period where your suppliers will just completely shut down. They won't ship any products. So you need to know what are the dates so you can work around those dates. So what you want to do is let your customer know beforehand, either on the landing page or the confirmation page. This way you can reduce disputes or chargebacks. Now, the last point that I want to address is actually very important. You need to know exactly what you are selling. Sometimes the features listed on AliExpress may not be accurate, so you need to make sure you order the product in, test it out before you start selling it. Now, I did hear some bad news regarding some people selling products that they did not completely understand what they're selling and get into trouble. So you do have to be careful of that. And if you do want to step up your game after you find a winning product, ideally you want to buy it in bulk and put it in a warehouse that you can manage and brand properly. All right, now the last point I want to talk about is print on demand. POD for 2020 is going to be huge. There are a lot more products you can actually sell with POD, and the quality is actually getting better and better. Also, most suppliers are from US as well. Even the ones where their warehouse is in China, they still offer express shipping at a very reasonable rate. So if you can reduce the shipping time, you should always do so. I'll actually record another updated video on suppliers and products. But in terms of operation branding, POD is going to be even stronger this year, and you see more people adding POD to their product range to expand their catalog. I'm actually really excited about POD in 2020, and I can't wait to see all the big changes that suppliers are going to have this year. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Those are all the changes that's coming in 2020, and I'm going to produce more content for you, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like this video if it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.